tell us something about your new show? Anong...
Yes,
Andrea, minimemorize niya kanina. Go ahead.
Binuking mo naman.
Oo nga, nakakaasa. Hindi, with a smile po, malapit na po yan. Every morning, starting June 24.
Ano pa? Siyempre, kasama natin dyan
Trabaho
si
ka
Christian
naman.
Bautista.
May something.
Of course, the lovely Andrea Torres.
Yes.
And myself, Mikael Daez. And directed yan by Direct Louie Ignacio. I love you. The best director ever. So, ayan, June 24, 10:15 before Unexpected You. That is June 24, guys. Hindi na yan this Monday.
Yes.
That's next Monday.
Take note.
Okay, we can't wait to see
Oo,
it.
Nice, thank you.
Kung matutuwa kayo dito, very, very light lang
We
siya.
will watch it with a smile.
Yes.
okay. Kaya pala with a smile.
Oo.
Alright.
Parang
Thank
si
you,
Riza
guys.
lang yan, di ba?
Oo.
Dapat laging nakasmile. Bawal ang sad. Thank you,
Alright.
Mikael.
Thank you so
Andrea.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
See you guys.
Bye.
Okay. Alis na kayo.
Oo, may skills pa kami. Bukas ay espesyal na araw para sa mga nagsisilbing haligi ng ating tahanan. Ang ating ama.
Yes. Happy Father's Day to my daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Dad!
Also to Steve at sa lahat ng ginagawa nila para sa atin. Nararapat lang na kanilang maramdaman ang ating pasasalamat.
Kasama man natin sila o hindi, dapat silang pahalagahan para sa mga pagmamahal na kanilang ibinahagi sa atin.
Isa sa mga ama na maaalala natin ngayong Father's Day ay ang Dabarkads na hindi lang sa kanyang mga anak nag-iwan ng pamana. Sa atin din ay ipinamana niya ang kanyang musika. Yan ang Dabarkads nating si Francis Magalona.
Para kay Kiko at sa lahat ng amang tulad niya, ito ang handog ni na Dabarkads Kimpi at Julia Clarete, kasama pa si Elmo Magalon.
Let the sun shine, let the rivers run away, 'cause it's a beautiful day now to play now. As I close my eyes and pray, Lord have mercy on me, 'cause I'm feeling kinda lonely. Would you be, could you be my one and only?
Took a train at a station, it almost lost my patience, 'cause I was waiting. Damn red delayed a train, now I'm waiting in vain just to see your face. Is this the one that I'm supposed to be afraid of? Is this the one that I'm supposed to be ashamed of? Hard as rock, not soft like Play-Doh. Every time I hear the song playing on the radio.
Let the wind blow, let the wind touch my face. I wanna take a little break now, shake it now. This is what I have to say. I feel so fine, so fine that it blows my mind. Tell the truth, when will you be mine? And in my dreams, you are surreal, so it seems. Inside my head, a giant scream has every scene. While I scream, I feel it every time I go to sleep. Wake up in the middle of the night and I weep.
She's gotta be mine. That girl is so fine. Girl be mine, girl be mine. All it takes is a matter of time.
So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. And some are mad while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others grieve, and others mourn behind a big black hearse. And some are pure, and some have bread. Some are sober, some are wasted. And some are rich because of fate. And some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out while others blend. Some are fat and stout, while some are thin. And some are friends, and some are foes. Some have some, while some have more. Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slow. Take a look at the kaleidoscope. Spin it round, make it swirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Some are great and some are few. Others lie while some of us be telling the truth. And some say poems and some do sing. And others sing through their guitar strings. Some know it all while some act dumb. Let the bass line strum to the bang of the drum. Some can swim, some will sink. And some will find their minds and think. Others walk while others run. Hands off peace and have a gun. And some are hurt and start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. And some are friends and some are foes. Some have some or some have more. Yeah. 'Cause every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slope. Take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it twirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Kaleidoscope world. We are in this kaleidoscope
Elmo Magalona and master rapper Tabarkas Francis Magalona.
Thank you, Bulaga. Thank you.
Thank you rin mo.
Ito mga Dabarkas, napanood niyo po yung Kaleidoscope World Forever More video. Yan yung kanina. Ang ganda.
Oh, grabe.
Oh, thanks.
Iba eh. Kumbaga, si Kiko hindi lang nabubuhay sa ating puso, sa ating isip, pati sa video, buhay na buhay.
Oo, di ba? Tsaka ang galing ng pagkakagawa. Mo, tanungin lang kita, anong pakiramdam na muli mong nakasama yung papa mo sa video na to?
First and foremost, parang hindi ko maisip kung paano ulit yun mangyayari. And ayun, napaka-saya ko nang malaman na magagawa nga namin tong video na to. And of course, dahil nga na nagawa na namin tong video, syempre, lagi nang forever na to magiging special para sa akin.
That's true. Tsaka yung huling scene, nakita ninyo, yung karga-karga siya ni Kiko.
Ang galing.
Tapos yung sunod, yung malaki na siya.
Oo,
Ang galing.
sobrang nakakilabot. Lahat nga nang
Nakakilabot.
lahat nga nang nakapanood, sinasabi sa akin na pag kinakausap nila ako, sabi nila kinikilabot daw sila pag napapanood nila. So, ayun, sa mga nakapanood na, thank you so much. At sana i-spread around niyo pa yung video.
Pare, viral na to. Alam mo bang ang dami na talagang nakakakita ng video na to na talagang tuwang-tuwa sila. They're moved to tears.
Correct. Pero Mo, ano ba naging inspiration niyo para gawin tong video na to?
Well, of course, ito, panahon na nga ng Father's Day, kaya naisip namin na, ayun, it's a good Father's Day gift. Advanced Father's Day kasi last month siya pinalabas. And ayun, we're happy to say nga na pinaghirapan talaga namin tong video na ito. And yun, nung nakita nga nung family ko, sobra silang natuwa. Some of them cried pa. So, ayun, I'm very happy about it.
Good. Good. Ang galing ng pagkakagawa talaga.
Ganda, ang ganda.
Magandang regalo yan kay
Yes,
Papa mo, kay
oo.
Kiko, for Father's Day. na.
Thanks. Ayun, kung gusto nyo nga, gumawa rin kayo ng Kaleidoscope video. Upload nyo lang yan sa YouTube. Tapos, mag-tweet lang kayo ng link ng yung YouTube video na yon. Tapos, i-hashtag nyo FM Forevermore. Tapos, ko-compile yan. At, syempre, all of this is done by Uishi. So, thank you so much, Uishi.
Yes. Thank
Oo
you,
naman.
Wishy.
Thank you, Wishy.
Well done, guys.
Yes, at kung gusto nyo lang mapanood ulit yung video, ayun, i-search nyo lang nga sa YouTube ang Kaleidoscope World Forevermore. At ayan, sana
Mapapanood
i-spread
na
around
nila.
nyo pa yan sa lahat para mapanood nila yung modern edition. Thank you so much.
Galing, man.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Elmo.
Thank you. And
Congratulations to
thank you,
Wishy.
Think Bulaga, for the never-ending support.
And thank you to Wishy for
Wishy,
making this
thank you very
possible.
much. Okay, mamaya na, special na handa naman ng Dabber Cats, sila Pauline, Belle, Riza at si Bossing. Naku, abangan nila mamaya.
Oo
Yan,
naman!
maganda yan.
Naku, panoorin mo, Elmo, ang galing. Pero ito muna, si Aling Maliit, para sa chance nyo manalo ng Father's Day gifts para sa inyong mga tatay.
Aling maliit.
Maliit!
Jaime, kumakanta ka pa dyan! Jaime!
Hoy, alam maliit.
Ano bang kinakanta mo?
Abay, yung kanta ni Francis M. Eh, paborito ko yung kumpare ko eh. Oh.
Parang iba, ha?
Huni yun. Huni kasi
Papractice
excited.
ako.
Ano ba yung ginagawa nyo?
Kapsa nga tawag dito.
Yan?
Oo.
Ba't nagpa-practice kayo?
Sama ko si Marvic. Saka yung kumari ko, dalawa. Si Pauline at si Bill.
Oh?
Gaganito kami mamaya, oh.
Gano'n ano?
Tingnan mo.
Oo. Oo.
Galing ko, di ba?
Galing. Pero alam maliit, alam nyo ba, excited na ako eh.
Oh, saan naman?
Doon sa may sapatos, may relo, may 10,000 pa. Baka madali ko eh. Oh.
Mag-text ka na.
Siyempre, magte-text ako.
Oh, ito, buksan mo yan.
Oo. Ito, tanda ko to. Ito ang ite-text ko.
Huwag mo akong takpan.
Ayan na, ayan na. Oh, ayan. Oh, ite-text ko to.
Oh, yan. Text mo na ngayon yan.
Oo.
Kwento
Ayan.
ko sa mga double
Ito,
cards.
ang ganda. Oh. Simple-simple ha. Ito na ang chance ako.
Oh, magre-relax lang ako, ha?
Din, din, din.
Happy Father's Day sa'yo, ha?
Thank you. Dan 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 nalaglag. Mami, panonorin ko yan, ha? Limalita.
Sige.
Okay, eto na. Eto na chance ko. Ding, diriring. Dan 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 dan